Alrighty, hi everyone. Pattern-collections.com is where you want to go to find today's pattern focus. And scroll down to, I think we want this one. Okay, so this one is, looks like it's going to be interesting. Yeah. Oh, that looks a little complex. Alrighty then. So the first thing we're going to start with is a zigzag. And I note that it's not exactly 100% evenly spaced. Probably doesn't make any difference. So we're going to do a zigzag. And then on the top and the bottom of each of the zigs, we're going to put a little rice shape. Right there and right there. And then we're going to put the zigzag again. Okay, so that we have more than one row there. We can just keep going, building on it. And then after that, after we've got all that, we're going to put this curve here. And then on the other side, so on both sides of the rice shape, so we're going to make an aura. So we're looking for that. I guess it's not as difficult as it at first seemed to me. Seems like looking at it was like, whoa, that's going to be hard. But apparently it's not going to be as hard as I thought. So that's what we're aiming for right there. I'm going to leave this here so I can see it. Right like that. And find me a tile. Hold on. Okay, one tile. I need a pen and a pencil. I'm gonna make myself a border. And I'm gonna kind of just make a kind of a shape, and I'm going to put it in this area here, and I'll put something else in these two areas. And I think I will do a border. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a border or not, but I think I will. A nice dark. Like that. And I think, yeah, that's right. Okay, so I'm going to do the zigzag kind of right in the middle of the area I want to fill. And then I'll work my way out both sides. So a little rice shape. It's a little chilly in here today. And then going the other way. Not bad. Okay. And then a zigzag to attach to there. And then like that. something like that. And this would have a bit of a zig there. Okay, and then this way. Like that. Yeah, this isn't as difficult as it looked. It looked like it was going to be really hard. It's not. Like that. There we go. And then we do another aura here. Like so. On both sides of your little rice shape. Just like that. I might have to go find my heater put in this room. I didn't think it was that cold out here, but it is a bit nippy. And my fingers are starting to go cold. You can't draw very well when your fingers are cold. I may just have to go find my heater. I told my husband I wasn't going to need it for a while because the weather was fine. It was really actually quite warm in here, but it got a little chilly last night. Okay. And then I think I want to do some kind of, I should have just drawn that line to start with. I wasn't sure I was going to. Do that. I'm going to do something similar over here. Like that. And then should I do it over here too? Just in a different scale? Maybe I will. That was way easier than I thought it was going to be. And then I should do, so if that's going like that, it should come out about here. Maybe something like that with a thing there. You wouldn't see much of that. You might see a bit of this. I'm not going to see much of it, but I should finish off that pattern going this way, just so my eye sees it. Okay, I like that. Okay, what's it called? Backnang. Backnang. And now, decide if I want to do any more or just leave it like that. I do kind of like it with the dark in the inside there, so maybe I'll do that. Put the dark inside here. That. You'll see a little bit of it right there. And then these guys. This pen seems to be drying up. That's no good. I use this pen a lot, the 08. Didn't think I would use this that much, but apparently I do. I can tell it's starting to dry up a little bit. Works okay if I go slow, but when I try to go fast, I could see that it's not quite as juicy as it used to be. Yeah, I like that. Does this one get shading? Okay. I was just looking at the sample as to how they shaded it. They shaded right in here inside that kind of zigzaggy part. Oh, what did I just do? Fudge puppies. Guess what? I'm now doing this one on the outside. Okay, so when you mess up, just so you know, you got to do it again somewhere so that it looks like an on purpose. So I'm going to do it here. And maybe this one. Gotta do it at least 3 places, because then it looks like you did it on purpose. Too bad I don't have a spot over there I can do it. Maybe this one. Why did I do that? I don't know. Probably because my fingers are freezing. I am definitely going to have to do something about that, or I won't be able to draw anymore. And I have to draw because I'm running out of days to draw. And since I don't know what my schedule is for the rest of the week, yeah, that's becoming an issue. I'm gonna have to talk to her. My store manager. She used to be kind of late with the schedule before I went out on leave, but now apparently she's gotten even later, and it is 9 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday, and nobody knows if they are working tomorrow. That's just not right. How do you plan your day if you don't know if you're working tomorrow? You can't. So I don't know if I'm going to have time tomorrow to do any drawing because I don't know if I'm working, which means I have to get all my drawing done today, whether I really want to or not, because I don't know what my schedule's going to be. That just not cool. I'm going to have to sit down and talk to her and say, you know what, can we go back to having at least a week out so that I can make some plans? I've got a follow-up foot doctor appointment I'm going to have to make, but I don't know when I can make it because I don't know when I'm going to be working. I know I'm going to have to go to the dentist again soon. Something's not quite right with the one tooth and you know, you got life. I got my YouTube videos to take care of, and I can't plan my drawing. I don't know when I'm working. I like to do it during the day. I like to do it in the mornings. I was going to do it yesterday, but the pattern collection website was down, so I couldn't get to the patterns to see what they were so that we could work on them. So there was no point in trying to do any drawing then. I'm going to do like they did on the sample and do it right here in the V, like that. Ooh, that would be filled in. Right here, I missed one. Right there. Okay, and it would be a little bit right there. And then I need my smaller stump. Like that. And then a little bit on this side. Be some here, and there'd be a little bit right there. Like that. Alright, I like that. See, that's how you make it so that it's not just a glaring, now it's just part of the pattern and you don't really notice that, but if I had left just one and had done all the others the other way, you would have noticed big time. So, alrighty, there you go. I'm going to go get myself a heater so my fingers aren't so darn cold, and I will be back to draw another pattern in a few minutes. I'll see you guys for tomorrow's video. Go out and have a really good day. Go out and do something nice for someone today to help make the world a better place. One smile at a time. See you later. Bye-bye.